So welcome back to my channel. So this is HBM Organics. Actually right now I'm in my factory, like everywhere is started. I have a whole lot of things doing right away, like a whole lot of work doing right now. So I just want to carry you along with what I'm doing currently. I'm customizing a product for one of my clients in the States, and I just want to show you guys what's up with me here. And yeah, do not mind these pimples. You know, I have to change my soap, the bathing soap I was using, because I have this new product I'm sampling. I sample my product before I sell them. So that is one thing with my skin. If I try something new, I start breaking out, then with time my skin will balance up with the product I just introduced to it. So I want to make a dark spot corrector. A client of mine requested for this. This is a strong bleaching cream. This is going to fade out your dark spots. If you have black spots on your butts, you have dark armpit, you have dark bikini area, anything dark, this is going to clear it. So this is specifically for treatment. After treatment, please, you can just stop using it and get a very good serum to just maintain your skin. So watch the video to the end. Yeah, you can actually use this also on your knuckle. Yeah, if you don't want to peel but you want to fade off your knuckle, you can use this will not peel you, okay? Unlike the last video I dropped, the product I dropped in that last video is going to yeah, for some people's skin it may peel their skin, like they may experience mild peeling, but for this one I'm about to show you now, you will not experience peeling. It will fade off your dark knuckle, your dark areas. You're having dark armpits, dark elbow, dark bikini line, anywhere that is dark, just be applying it there. So let me just show you guys what I've been up to. So before I proceed, I want to tell you people that our skincare class is ongoing. Here at HBM Organics, we have two types of skincare training. We have the natural skincare formulation class, and we have the pro-mixing class. If you know you want to learn how you can make commercial grade skincare products, just send us a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up on the screen. And if you know that you're this kind of person that love to pro-mix your cream, you want to do it rightfully, then still send us a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up on the screen. Okay, in our class we are going to teach you a whole lot. We're going to teach you a whole lot of recipes that you will use to make millions out there in the skincare industry. We're going to teach you how to be a formulator. We're going to teach you how to be a pro, and you will not regret enrolling in any of our classes. So right here on my table you can see what I'm up to. Sorry, I'm holding my phone, I'm not using a camera stand. So the number one cream I added was my Kojic Clear. Yeah, I use my Kojic Clear cream. Okay, then I used my Pata Pata. Yeah, I use my Pata Pata. Can you see? Then I use my Anivate dark spots corrector. Okay, this is a dark spot corrector, and this is plenty. Like, I use this as my base. So right here I have all these creams right here in this bowl. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, or I'm going to show you the serum I'll be adding into this cream to turn it into the cream I want it to be. So I'm going to be adding in my Tiantio yeah, my Tiantio serum. Okay, I'm going to be adding in the serum. This serum is also a very good dark spot corrector, so I'll be adding in this serum. I'm going to add in my Tiantio serum. Okay, this will come out in a lotion form. It's not going to come out in a cream form. It's not going to come out in a cream form. It's going to come out in a lotion form, like runny. So I'm using one of this. So I'll be using one of this. Yeah, one of this. So like I said, this is going to come out in a lotion form. Then I'll add in my miracle powder. So this is actually block. Yeah, this is actually block. So what I'll do right now is that I'll add some of this oil. I'll just add some of this oil into this and allow it to dissolve a bit, so that I'll be able to, you know, pour out the miracle powder in here. Better to just get the one that has not blocked, the one that has not solidified, because when your miracle powder is solidified, it's very hard to work with. Okay, so if you don't have miracle powder, you can use pure aloe vera gel. What aloe vera gel does, it helps to calm and soothe the place you're treating, because believe me, all these are very, very concentrated. Okay, all the cream here, they are very, very active. So your miracle powder or your aloe vera gel will help to calm and soothe. So right away, I'm going to pour this into my beaker because I can't stir this properly here. Despite the fact that I wanted this to come out in a lotion form, it still got thick. That is because of the stearic acid that the anivates contain, and also high dose of stearic acid in the koji clear, because these two, they are very, very thick, in fact thicker than the pata tube. So for me to make it into a lotion like form now, I can add in more oils. Okay, I can add in more serums. Okay, I can add in more serums, but you can also leave it this way, it's not bad. So I just want to check the pH of this. I really want to make sure that everything is going the way I want it. Yeah, so everything is going the way I want it. So right now this is actually on pH 3.5, which makes it very, very okay for the dark spot corrector that I'm making, because this is very acidic. So this means this is going to bleach out every dark area, dark patches that you're having. Okay, the pH is very, very good. I'll just go on, I'll bottle this. I'm actually sending this out. Okay, so I'm just giving you guys this recipe for free. You can actually sell this. Yeah, you can sell this. Like, this is a full complete recipe I've just given out. You can sell this. Don't apply on your face, please. This is too strong for your face, but any other part of your body that is too dark, that you're having dark patches, every dark areas, you can actually apply this. It will start fading off, it will start becoming lighter and brighter. But please, for you to really let this to be very, very effective, you have to exfoliate whichever parts you're trying to get rid of the dark spots. You need to exfoliate the part you're treating. Please, exfoliation, like I keep on saying, is what you need. If you know you're trying to clear hyperpigmentation on any part of your body, knuckles, you have to exfoliate those parts, exfoliate those areas at least 3 times in a week. Exfoliate those areas. And also we have Moroccan exfoliating sponge that you can actually use. It helps you when you're exfoliating, it helps you to shed off your dead skin cells very well. It helps go, you know, deep into the skin and shed off dead skin cells. Let me show you how the sponge look like. So this sponge is available at our store. You can just send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up on the screen to place your orders. This is what they use to do Moroccan baths. When you go and do full body exfoliation, this is what they use to bath you. So why not just buy this and get our scrub and bath yourself, or shed off dead skin cell in whichever part you want to shed off the dead skin cell. So if you're having dark feet, use this sponge. Get our scrub and get the sponge. We have whitening scrub that is very good for your dark areas. So you can get our whitening scrub. This is our whitening scrub, okay? This is good for all skin type, whether you're sensitive or non-sensitive. So get this scrub, get this sponge, and make use of this cream I've showed you now. You can apply this cream on your butt, on your dark feet, your dark armpit, dark bikini line, anywhere you want to even out. You want that place to be brighter, okay? Use this cream there, but please don't use it on your face, and don't use this sponge on your face. You can use this scrub. You can use this scrub on your face. Use your hand to scrub your face. Do not use sponge, okay? So thank you so much for watching the video. I'm going to bottle this up right away. It's actually not too thick. You can see it's not that thick. So I'm going to bottle this right away, and I'm done. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want more of things like this, of course I know you guys want more things like this because you love remixing, like seriously. Even when I make natural skincare videos, you don't watch. So thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.